In this video, I will be showing you how to make a logo in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the templates page, browsing through various categories like social media and business before selecting the logo option. I can see many great templates here, but I want a custom look, so I'll click Create a blank logo to open a fresh workspace. Now I'll head over to the search bar and type in cute coffee to see what graphics are available. I'll scroll through the results and pick this one with the two coffee cups, then drag the corners to resize it. I've decided to go in a different direction, so I'll clear that search and type in cute skateboard instead. To get a specific character, I'm going to use the Ask Canva tool. I'll type in a request to change the style and make the cup ride a skateboard. While the AI generates the image, I'll wait for it to finalize the results. This character looks perfect, so I'll click Add to Design and position it on the canvas. Now for the brand name, I'll search for the Text Studio Maker app. I'll browse through the different text effects and select a style I like. I'll type in sip and go, and then look through the font library to find a script that matches the playful feel of the character. Once I find the right one, I'll click Add to Design. To finish up, I'll place the text above the coffee cup and adjust the size for a balanced layout. After a few final style tweaks to the text, our logo is complete. I hope you found this guide helpful for your next design project.